Welcome back, Shift Gears, Drink Beers. We are on studs today. First time trying out these DIY studs. The ground is very frozen. It was snowing earlier. It did in my house this morning and most of yesterday, but not as much down here. We're a little bit further south. First row uphill with the studs. I mean, it feels pretty good. It's grabbing on. I don't even feel like I'm spinning at all. That thing blew. I don't know how I just did that. Good luck, little buddy. Honey. Let it go. Woo! Yeah, baby! Let's check him out on the downhill. Oh boy. So, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Not paying attention. Everything's still so frozen. Traction going down feels good. Whew. I think they feel great. Trying to, like, look at that, just grabs, man, it's sick. What a good investment so far. Go watch my last video and you'll see why I'm so excited. Oh, look at those deer. Look at them climbing. I don't think they're gonna make it. Oh, this is cool. Woo! We have a ton of excuses at the end of the day, so we just figured we'd come, hit waterfall early, either fail or get it out of the way. We shall see. Waterfall! I Probably should have not done that. Recap on the day so far. Blew a trailer tire on the highway. I had to go back, find Mike, bring him a tire, got that changed, and then the sheriff pulled up just in time for us to be done. And then whenever we got here, my spark plug was fouled, my bike wouldn't start. Fuel line connector wouldn't go back in, but figured it out. And then Mike wrecked, snapped another fender. It's technically January, so that's the first one of the year.
First of the year.
And then we just searched for about the last half hour for his shift lever, but we found it.
Which somehow, I don't know how that even came up.
But we got it. We're going back in one piece. This is gonna be very swampy. Should have stayed up there. Oh boy. Oh, that is muddy. I don't know how we keep ending up getting out of here this way. Oh no. Oh. Did your head hit that tree? Whee! Oh!
How can I help?
That's twice you went into the rut like that. Such a deep valley, like geez, you're out at the bottom. It's no joke. So I think that's gonna do it for our day. It's starting to get dark already, and got like 3 hours of sleep last night. But first ride of the year, overall the studs were a huge success, I would say. And I just looked a little bit ago, I didn't see a single one missing, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna keep running these for the next couple months. I really hope we get some snow to use them in, but we'll see. So if you haven't already checked out that video, it's in the description here, so go give it a watch. Make some for yourself if you ride in the winter like this. Yeah, there's no snow, but it is January, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.